Hi guys, so what's up, Here we are at Seafood City, Sugarland, Texas. So, kakain lang kami ng inihaw. No, actually, dito kami sa Grill City, Grill Station. Seafood City, for those who doesn't know, it's a Filipino supermarket. Asian, I would say, Filipino Asian supermarket. And then we have Filipino restaurant, the Grill City. Later, pakita ko sa inyo yung menu. But right now, ang dami na nilang additionals na resto sa loob. Later, I'll tour you guys. Okay? So, pila muna kami, line up kami kasi habang pila. There you go. Meron pa sa harap ko. Pila siya, baka maka-order. Let's check the food later. Oh, ubi ice cream. Chanan! Free sample yan, guys. Combo. You can choose your own and then some sides rice opposite. So and other stuff. Is your favorite? Okay, chicharon, vegetable. There you go. At madami pang iba. Sorry. Sabi ko guys, naisi sa order. Pero ayan siya. Wow.
Isama naman yung rice and egg.
Guys, babayad na kami. Kinuha namin dalawang combo na, ano yun? Squid, half and half, rice and pancit, and then laing. Yung isang combo, liempo, half and half, and what's that? Dinuguan yung sa akin. And then, nag-extra kami na half a pound ng chicharon bulaklak. Let's see how much haabutin. Wala pa kaming drinks, so we'll think about the drinks. Parang actually may water naman. Bye! Let's see. $2.50. Mango kalabas.
Ilan po kayo mag-dining? Dito po.
Tatlo po.
Extra plate, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Slide lang.
Worth it ba? 1 hour. Baker King. Siyempre, bilhin yung halo-halo. Enzimadas. Here at Baker's I think I got ensaymada, Spanish bread, and sapin-sapin for $5.99. And kuchinta. Same thing, $5.99 small. Balik na tayo, guys. Thank you so much. Kasi mangot na naman yung asawa ko kasi matamis na naman. Pogi, di ba? Pogi, di ba?